Welcome back to JC Motor Garage. So today I dropped off the Acura Integra, the Acura RSX, to go get inspected, and I just picked it up. So let's check it out. All right, so after the problems that I've been having with it, she passed 721. So I'll show you what I had to do in a minute. We're gonna go in, start it up, and I'll show you what I did. So if you were not watching some of my other videos that I put out, we had a couple problems with the RSX, so let's check them out. So we've been having a little problems with the RSX for a little while, with the check engine light, the race header, and the knock sensor, and the exhaust gaskets. We replaced them. They burn up again, so I welded the exhaust. I got a welder for Father's Day, and I welded the exhaust back there, so there's no more leaking. I replaced the race header with the factory one, so I put that one back on there, cleared the check engine light, came back on for a knock sensor, so I finally ordered one and got it in the other day, got it installed, so the video will be out soon on that. But just wanted to do a little update on the RSX. Everything's fixed on it, passed inspection, so Caitlin's going to be driving this here soon. She's going to be getting her license. So let's start this up and let's check it out. All right, so let's start it up and let's see what it sounds like after everything is fixed on it. That sounds so much better. There's no check engine light, there's no airbag light on, everything's done. So the exhaust is fixed. I ended up welding the exhaust, and listen to it. Listen. It sounds so much better now. Sounds good. So Caitlin's going to be driving this here soon, and then when we find her another car, we'll be selling this, and then I'll be looking for another project car to work on. But this is the, like I said in the other in the Saturn video, you know, it shows that they check everything, brakes, headlights, everything. So we had to so I had to put a new stud on this morning on the passenger side. The passenger side front, so I had to put a new stud on it because remember the one video when I did the brakes, I took off the lug nut, so I had to do that. So that's fixed. Everything's fixed on it. What do you think? It sounds good?
Yeah.
Listen to it. Does that sound fast?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So it's just a little update on the RSX, and it's done. So, like I said, video coming out soon. So that was just a little update on the video and on the RSX, that everything's fixed on it. Inspection's done, knock sensor's fixed, exhaust is fixed, everything's done. Won't blow any gaskets anymore because I welded them. Put a factory header back on it, not the race header, because it was throwing a check engine light. And I don't know, it just wasn't running right with it. So I put the other one on. It runs so much better with it on, so I'm just going to leave it on here because Caitlin really doesn't need a, you know, she doesn't need a race header on this thing. She's going to be driving it for a little while till I find her a car, but we're going to do some body work to it, and we're going to be doing some work to this car, so we'll be doing some videos on the RSX, so stay tuned. So I'm really excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow's the big giveaway at 12 o'clock. It's going to go live, and it's going to be a premiere, so you'll be able to text through that. So if you haven't gotten in the $50 gift card, Amazon gift card, comment, subscribe on my giveaway video, and be entered in the giveaway. There's no purchase necessary, so YouTube is not affiliated with this giveaway. So I'll be sending the email with the account and with the gift card. So tomorrow, 12 o'clock, 4th of July, we'll be doing the live stream and the random comment picker. So good luck. And so I just got my replacement top for my Jeep. If you haven't seen that, you can go on JC Motor Garage on Facebook. I just posted a picture of it, so we'll be doing a video on the Jeep here soon. So I'm replacing that again, and I'll explain why in the video, why I'm replacing it, and the steps to do it. I'll do a whole video install on a soft top on a Jeep JKU 2010 and above with the Sunliner feature on it, but it means you can just flip the top open and close it and do that. So we'll be doing that. So get in on this giveaway, and we'll see you tomorrow at 12 o'clock. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on
JC Motor Garage.
And there's Bailey. Thanks for watching.